All right, so for this level, instead of starting directly with our design in Tinkercad, we're actually going to find an image online and convert that to something that we can then bring it into Tinkercad and 3D print. Okay, so to start that, we're going to actually just go to Google and do a search, and I'm going to do Batman silhouette. So now silhouette basically means like a black and white image without any gray in the image. And that's what we need in order to convert an image in the right way so that the 3D printing software can read it. Once you type that into the Google search bar, you're going to click images. And we want to filter out these images. We want to make sure we get a high quality image. So under tools here, you're going to click on size, and we're going to go to a large size. We want to focus on just the largest images. And I'm going to start looking for an image that might work. Okay. Now, when you're looking for an image, anything that is in black is going to be what is 3D printed. Anything in white is going to be nothing, right? It's going to be a hole there. So if you were to look at something like this wouldn't really work because you'd have several different parts. This part would be one, this would be a second part, 3, 4, 5, 6. This would be 7 different parts to the 3D print. It wouldn't work out. Okay, this also wouldn't really work. So I'm finding something that I like. Actually, this one works pretty good right here. All right, so it's all one, all the black is connected. That's good. And then the eyes are going to be cut out because they're hollow. So we're going to go with this picture. All right, now a quick little reference here. Once you select the picture here, if you right click, so on the mouse, right click, you have an option to save image as. And then on your computer, you're going to type in whatever the image is. So I'm going to type in Batman. And I want it to go to my downloads folder. You can put it wherever you want. Just remember where it saves it to. And I'm going to click Save. Okay. Now, one quick thing about our search here. Because we're searching online for images, some of these images were made by artists. So you have to be very careful and make sure that when you're doing this, you're not doing this and trying to sell this work. You're just doing something for yourself, right? Because this image belongs to somebody. If we were to do it correctly, we would have to contact the artist and then maybe pay them the rights to be able to use their image. All right. Once you have that saved, you're ready for the next step.